So Greg and I came over to the Paslode Service Center because we've got 2 Paslode XP framers and we've never cleaned them.
Never.
And he's gonna give us the full service of what they do with their nailers when they come in here, when you send it. Because remember, these have a 2-year service promise at no cost. So it's a free service and you guys can see what they do and why you should send it in if you're having any sort of issues so that they can take care of it. So do you wanna take us through with one of these nailers?
First thing, we need to make sure there's no power on it. We take the battery out, the fuse out.
Okay, so you can actually tell how many shots this is fired?
Yeah.
I guess I'm curious if this one's been more or less than the other one. Okay, so cool. So this one's got 20,000. Does it look dirtier? I mean, when I'm looking at this fan, that looks kind of nasty, but now what about up in here? I've cleaned before and all this gunk and stuff. Is this the paper?
Yeah, for the paper, for the nails. Okay, now we want to disassemble the slip assembly.
Okay. Yeah, I've never done this.
Me either.
I find something over here is not right.
What's that?
The springs is out of the alignment because the bounce is supposed to be uneven because one is right, the other one is not right.
Oh, yeah. That is why you get a nice 2-year service guarantee because you're gonna take care of it, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
We disassemble the whole tool. If we use this machine to clean it up, this is only for 5 minutes.
So what is the solution? What are we
The
cleaning?
solution is like a hot water when soft.
Okay.
If we let it for 5 minutes.
It's basically a dishwasher for your tools then.
Yeah.
I like it.
Now we put it on the parts in the machine. We want to use the second machine to clean it up, the plastic and the cylinder head.
Oh yeah. See, that looks way cleaner than the one that was just the general cleaning that we just did. I mean, that really gets it clean. So none of this will affect the electronics or anything in there. That's no big deal.
It's not a big deal. We want to clean it out. We want to
Dry it.
dry it. We want to open this machine again. You flip it, the parts
Okay.
to the other side.
Well, they're already looking cleaner though. You see that?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. I don't know where all these parts go.
I don't remember either.
I wasn't paying attention enough. I guess when we're all done, if we got parts left over, that's when we know we did something wrong.
No, that means we're efficient.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, yeah. We did the same in less
We
steps.
did better. Yeah.
There's the parts out.
Oh, look at that.
You guys can see just only for like 5 minutes. It's total different.
Yeah.
You guys can see a lot of different. Now we want to use the hand ones. Just clean it up, the little edges, the one that didn't even clean it up by the machine.
Yeah, yeah.
When you clean the parts, you need to make sure that the rings is moving around.
What's your level
I
of
had to
inspection?
inspect it 100%.
Yeah.
We need to make sure that we work on 100% before we send it to the customer.
All right, so now we got all the parts clean. What's the next step?
The next step, we're gonna put a bed, the two together. Now, we're gonna clean it up, the south fan inside.
Okay, so what is this? This is like for
The
heat
heat.
dissipation?
Yeah, it's only for loosen up the screws.
Okay. So what is this part right here that you're
This
taking
part-
apart?
It's south.
That's
than the
exhaust?
tool.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys can see it's kind of dirty.
Yeah.
We need to wipe them up. Now we want to put a bed together. Now, hit the tire like a. Now we want to put a bed together the same way that we was disassembled. Now we want to replace the filter because the other one was a little bit damaged.
Yeah.
We put a new one on it.
So this is the same process that every gun that comes in here for service goes through.
Yeah, every single one. Now we want to test in the tool. First thing, we edit the field. We close it. We put the battery on it. We test fire the tool before we send it back. Most of the time, we test it when the 2 inches and 5/8.
Do you always run a whole clip through?
Yeah, and that way, and all the tools will run the whole strip.
Yeah.
The last nail, because most of the time, it's less pressure in the follower, in the
Okay.
spring.
Yep.
And that was working 100%. Now really to send it to the customer.
I'm the customer.
Good. Now
It's good to
you
go
have
then?
very nice tool.
I love it, man. Thank you so much for taking us through with this, Greg, and I appreciate it. And now we can take this back to the job site and get back to work with it.
Yeah,
Appreciate
good.
it. So now you guys know how you can quickly clean your nailers at home, or if you send in your nailer to the service center, you're gonna get a much better job because this is the one we did the quick down and dirty cleaning. You can see all this dirt and grime is still here, but check out the one Greg is holding. This thing looks immaculate, brand new. All these parts have been cleaned in a machine, inspected, and they're back now to a full unit that is gonna get shipped back to us. We're gonna take it home actually, but as a user, it's gonna get shipped back to you and it's gonna be like a brand new nailer, ready to shoot another 20,000 nails or whatever.